Buy a big cage. Add a bath. Add a few toys and perches of different thicknesses, shapes, and textures. Think about the room where you want to place. Feed your budgie properly. Clean out the budgie's cage at least once a week. Create a good environment for your budgie to sleep. Monitor its health. Make sure that the budgie is comfortable on arriving at its new home. Introduce your household progressively. Seek to win the budgie's trust. Don't handle the budgie too much during its first 2 to 3 weeks. Always treat your budgie with love and kindness.